future if political instability feeds into security instability, and we see that the suicide bombings, the terror continues, particularly aimed at political parties right now. And also we see a potential economic catastrophe with an IMF bailout which just stopped the country defaulting, but which nonetheless leaves Pakistan in a parlous position. Your country can't afford the political chaos that will come if you try to run in the forthcoming election. It just can't afford it.
Stephen, look, the only solution to Pakistan, and any sensible person in this country will confirm this, the only solution, there is no other solution. Free and fair elections. That's the only way we will get out of this mess. What is happening is that in order to keep me out, they are dismantling our democracy. And what you're seeing in the rise in terrorism, the whole province of KP, Pakhtunkhwa, which is on the border of Afghanistan, why was there no terrorism when we were in power for 3.5 years? Why is it suddenly the terrorism is going up? Because they are no longer represented. The government in Pakhtunkhwa, where the terrorism has started, and in Balochistan, there has been a caretaker government which is not representative of Pakistan, doesn't belong to the people, and that's going there for 8 months. It's illegal. It's unconstitutional. So the answer is free and fair elections. Let the people select their own representatives and then let them sort out the problems of Pakistan. We as a representative government had brought down terrorism in Pakistan.